This is Nancy with Fix This House, and I wanted to show you how you can refill your Aldi black peppercorn grinder. This is actually by Stonemill, and we used up all the peppers in this. So what you want to do is there's a top section that does the grinding here, and then this bottom section you need to twist counterclockwise. This way is clockwise, so we're going to go twisting it this way here, and then you pry it off. So you twist it that way until it clicks, and then you pry down, twist, down, and it pops off. And then you can take your peppercorns and fill them up. I actually buy white peppercorn, dried white pepper from an Asian market. This is looks like Dragon brand, and I use this because it seems to be cheaper than buying McCormick or some other brand. And yeah, it's probably different than black pepper, but we don't know the difference. But you could fill these things up with other creative things. You know, sea salt would probably work. I got some dried capsaicin. Alright, so that's filled up, and then I'm going to take the lid. See if we can give you a shot at the inside of the lid. See if you can see that. Kind of hard to see. There we go. You can kind of see the mechanism in there. And so this is going to go on top, and we're going to push down and twist to the right. Down and to the right. And it is now on. So when I go like this, I got a filled up peppercorn. There you have it. If you have any questions or comments, I'm going to try this with a McCormick brand also. And I don't know if it's going to work as easily, but I'm going to give it a try. Thanks for watching and have a great day.